Today we'll talk about how can you enable manually recording on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on recorded, just click on it. So then you come to next here, come here to manual recording here, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean manual recording enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.